this video, we'll dive into the different types of fabrics and their classifications. First, natural fabrics. These are fabrics made from fibers sourced from plants, animals, or minerals. Second type of fabric, synthetic fabrics. Synthetic fabrics are textiles made from artificially created fibers, often derived from petrochemicals. Third one is woven fabrics. These types of fabrics are created by interlacing two or more sets of yarns or threads. Fourth, we have knitted fabrics. Knitted fabrics are textile made by interlocking yarns or threads using a series of interconnected loops, which provides stretch and flexibility. And finally, non-woven fabrics. Unlike woven or knitted fabrics, these are created by bonding or felting fibers together through mechanical, chemical, or thermal processes. We'll be covering this topic across 3 different videos. In today's video, we'll take a detailed look at natural fabrics, their types, and key characteristics. So, let's get into it. As we discussed earlier, natural fabrics are textiles made from fibers derived from plants, animals, or minerals. Cotton, bamboo, linen, silk, jute, wool, leather, hemp, fur, alpaca, cashmere, mohair, angora. These are some common types of natural fabrics. Now we'll discuss this one by one. You all need no introduction to this one. Cotton is one of the most widely used and loved natural fabrics around the world. Cotton fiber harvested from the cotton plant, Gossypium genus, known for its softness, breathability, and versatility. The fibers are harvested, processed, and then woven or knitted into a fabric. Key varieties of cotton fiber includes upland cotton or Gossypium hirsutum, Pima cotton, Sea Island cotton, Egyptian cotton, and Asiatic cotton. The major producers of cotton fabrics globally are China, India, and the United States. A lightweight cotton fabric typically ranges from 90 to 150 GSM. While medium-weight cotton fabrics have a GSM range of 150 to 200, heavyweight cotton falls between 200 and 400 GSM. The key properties of cotton fabric are that it is highly breathable, absorbent, soft in texture, durable, and prone to shrinkage. Cambric, canvas, denim, gauze, corduroy, flannel, lawn, and muslin are some of the common types of cotton fabrics. Next is linen fabric, made from the fibers of flax plants. Linen is known for its durability, breathability, and natural luster. It has a crisp texture and wrinkles easily but becomes softer with each wash. It's commonly used for clothing and home textiles. Belgium, France, Italy, and China are some of the world's top producers of linen. Lightweight linen typically has a GSM of around 100 to 250, while medium-weight linen ranges from 250 to 400 GSM. Properties of linen. Linen is a strong and eco-friendly fabric known for its excellent moisture absorption, natural thermal conductivity that keeps the body cool, and a tendency to wrinkle easily due to its crisp texture. So, moving on, we have hemp fabric. It differs from other materials for its exceptional eco-friendliness and sustainability. Hemp is a textile made from the stalks of the hemp plant, Cannabis sativa. It's a highly durable and versatile material with many benefits. Major producers of hemp fabric include China, India, Canada, various European countries, and the United States. Hemp fabric typically ranges from 200 to 400 GSM, depending on its weave and intended use. It's commonly used for clothing, bags, home textiles, and eco-friendly packaging due to its strength, breathability, and natural texture. So, this next type of natural fabric is gaining popularity for good reason. It's bamboo fabric, a textile made from the fibers of the bamboo plant. Bamboo fabric is known for its exceptional softness, breathability, and natural temperature regulation properties. Bamboo fabric is primarily produced in countries like China, India, and Indonesia. Bamboo fabric is widely used in apparel, home textiles, and baby clothing, due to its soft texture, breathability, and natural antibacterial properties. So far, we have explored natural fabrics made from plant fibers. Now let's take a closer look at the various types of animal fiber-based natural fabrics. Silk fabric, a natural textile made from the fibers produced by silkworms. It's known for its luxurious feel, sheen, and smooth texture. The production process involves harvesting the cocoons of silkworms, which are then unwound to obtain the long silk fibers. These fibers are spun into threads and woven into fabric. The leading producers of silk are China, India, Japan, and Italy. Silk fabrics come in various weights. Lightweight silk ranges from 30 to 70 GSM, medium-weight silk from 70 to 150 GSM, and heavyweight silk from 150 to 300 GSM. Compared to other fabrics like cotton and wool, silk generally has a lower GSM. Silk is highly valued and loved for its properties like a natural lustrous shine, drape, softness, hypoallergenic nature, and moisture absorbency. There are many types of silk fabrics, each with its own unique texture, finish, and use. Some of the most well-known include mulberry silk, tassa silk, eri silk, muga silk, chamois, chiffon, taffeta, organza, and crêpe de chine. Moving on to the next natural fabrics, we have wool. Wool fabric is a textile made from the fibers of sheep or other animals like goats, cashmere or mohair, alpacas, or rabbits, Angora. Major producers of wool include China, Australia, and New Zealand. Compared to linen, wool fabrics generally have a higher GSM. Lightweight wool ranges from 150 to 200 GSM, medium weight wool from 200 to 300 GSM, and heavyweight wool can go up to 500 GSM or more. Properties of wool include natural warmth, elasticity, a soft texture, durability, and fire resistance. Wool comes in many types, each with its own feel and purpose. Some popular ones are merino, cashmere, alpaca, Shetland, mohair, llama, worsted, angora, camel, and woolen wool. Another type of animal fiber-based natural fabric is leather. Leather fabric is a durable material made from the tanned hides of animals, typically cattle, sheep or pigs. It is commonly used in a variety of products, including clothing, furniture, and accessories. Countries like India, China, Brazil, and Italy are among the leading producers of high-quality leather worldwide. Leather fabric is known for its key properties like durability, breathability, water resistance, softness, and sensitivity to chemicals. Some common types of leather include full grain, top grain, genuine, split leather, bonded leather, suede, and nubuck, each with a unique texture and feel, making them suitable for different uses. Next is fur fabric. Fur is a luxurious fabric made from the soft, thick hair of mammals or synthetic materials mimicking its look and feel. Since fur can be made from both animal fibers and synthetic materials, its composition varies. Real fur comes from animals like fox, rabbit, raccoon, and mink, while synthetic fur is typically made from acrylic, polyester, or nylon. Major producers of real fur include China, Denmark, Finland, Poland, and Canada. With properties like softness, warmth, durability, lightweight feel, and water resistance, fur is used for a variety of purposes, from fashion accessories and outerwear to home decor. So, these are some of the natural fabrics made from fibers found in nature, whether from plants, animals, or even minerals. In the next video, we'll explore synthetic fabrics, their types, and key characteristics. Stay tuned.